chapter, and this will be part 2, and it is the continuation of 6th chapter, that is writing and calculating in KTurtle. Okay, as we have learned in yesterday's class, like introduction, print command, and then font size command. These 3 topics have been covered in the yesterday's class. Today we will be learning go command and sprite show and sprite hide command. These are the 2 commands which we'll be discussing in today's session. Let us see how we'll be making use in KTurtle. Okay students, now we'll be going to deal with the next command, that is go command. What do you mean by go command? The go command is used to move the turtle to a specific position, to move the turtle in the specified position on the canvas. What is the meaning of this? We have to make turtle to move from source to a destination. Now what do you mean by source? Source is nothing but where the current position of the turtle is, and destination is nothing but where we want to move the cursor to which location. Okay, that is called as destination. Now it has the source, that is center of the canvas. Let us see, to define the position of any point of the canvas, we need to specify the distance of the point from the top of the canvas and left edge of the canvas. These two make up the position value of each point on the canvas. For example, the point on the top left corner has the position value of 0, 0. What is the meaning of 0, 0? 0, 0 is nothing but the value of x and then y. That will be specified in the screen resolution of a particular desktop. Okay. The point at the bottom right corner of the canvas have the position value of 400, 400. Let us see what do you mean by this. Okay. If I am willing to go to a 100, 50, I will press the F5 button to execute the command like go. What has happened? Did you notice the change? What has occurred in a canvas editor? The first canvas was in the center position. Okay. Now where did it go? It went to a topmost in the left side. That is go 100, 50. And in your textbook in page number 68, the first figure, like figure 6.6, the position value of the different points on the canvas has been discussed. What is there? There are 4 equal parts, that is called as a square, and the top leftmost is 0, 0, and the top right side 400, 0, and bottom right 400, 400, and the last one bottom left side is 0, 400. Let us assume the x value as well as y value. As I have discussed like a go command here 100, 50, the value of x will be 100 and the value of y will be 50. I will be changing the value of this go. Before that, I have to enter the command called as reset. What is the main purpose of reset? The canvas comes to its original position when we were opening a KTurtle editor, that is default. Okay. After this, if I want to change the turtle position from 50, 70, let us see what is the x position, 50, and y value is 70. I'll just press F5 button. Did you notice it? It has went to the top left corner of the canvas. Okay. Now consider the following set of commands whose output is shown in the below figure. Just go to the page number 68. There you can see certain commands or set of commands. Before that we have to reset it. Okay. After that what I will do, I'll just print. In previous class, in yesterday's class, we have learned what do you mean by print command. We can print both text as well as numbers. Now print, in that what I will be writing? I am in the center. CENTRE. What is the meaning of this? If I am writing the print command with the double apostrophes, opening as well as closing apostrophes, that indicates we are texting certain messages on the KTurtle. After this, what I will do? Just I will tell the turtle to go with the position X value as 0 and Y value as 0. After that, what I want to print? Again, if I want to print some statement, again I will write print I am at top left. I am at the top left. Again, close the double apostrophes. After that, go command with 0, 400. After that, what I want? I want again print command, in that write like now bottom left. Okay. After this, what we have to do? We have to close the double apostrophe. Again, it has to move. The turtle has to move in the direction like 100. The x value is 100 and the y value is 70. After that, what it has to print? It has to print the turtle is lost. Okay. I am lost. After this, what we have to do? After completing the sentences or the statements typed in the editor pan, after this we have to click F5 button. Did you notice it? Here the first statement is I am in the center. What it will display? It has displayed in the center of the position, like I am in the center, and the next one is I am at the topmost. It has went to the 00th. If you will notice the figure given in 68th page number, that is 6.6, there are certain position value with the different canvas positions. Okay, you have to practice it, then only you will be understanding this concept, that is go command. After that, when it will go to I am at the top left, again it comes back to its 0, 400, and there it will type now bottom left. Okay. What is that? Here it is not visible. So what we have to do? We have to see the canvas just by pressing the mouse scroller buttons in the increasing or decreasing order. In the decreasing order, we have to move the scroller in the front direction so that the command which we are making use in the 6th line, like print now bottom left, it will be displayed in the bottom of your editor pan. Okay, sorry, KTurtle editor. Did you notice it? After that, it goes to a x value as 100 and the y values are 70, and what it has written? It has to write I am lost. What is the meaning of that? That indicates it is the last or destination point. First, where it was? I am in the center. The turtle was in the center position. That is, I am in the center. And last, where it is showing? It is showing in the I am lost position of the canvas KTurtle editor. After this, what we have to do? I am going to deal with the next topic, that is sprite show and sprite hide commands. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is, we have seen that the turtle is always visible on the screen. Okay, here you can see the turtle in the green color, it is visible. Sometimes we might like to hide it. Hiding is nothing but we will be playing like hide and seek. In the same way, I want this KTurtle which is present in the canvas to hide it. So we can make use of that just by using the command like sprite show and the sprite hide. Before that, what I have to do? If I have used certain commands before, I have to reset it by writing the command as reset. After that, what I will do? I will write sprite show and sprite hide command. Okay. The sprite hide or SH, it is abbreviated as SH, that is a sprite hide. And the sprite show, that is SS command, can be used to hide and show the turtle respectively. I am using which command? Sprite show and sprite hide. I will be writing the command as reset. After that, SH is nothing but sprite hide will be moving with the forward command, that is FW100, and SS, that is sprite show. What it happens here? Notice reset is nothing but it will come back to the turtle comes to its original position, and by SH, that is sprite hide, it goes to the makes the turtle invisible. After that, where it will go move 100 and then it will be sprite show. I have written this command, just I will press F5 button. What actually happens there? It has went from the center position to a front position. Okay, using the sprite hide, we will be making use of commands like sprite hide and look here, my dear students, one more time I will be showing you which is in the next position, like reset. After that, what I will do? I will be writing SH. SH is nothing but sprite hide. After that, I will just press F5 button. Is it available here? Are you able to see the turtle in the canvas? No. Why? Because I am making use of sprite hide command. After that, what I will do? If I want that turtle back in the canvas, what I will do? I will be writing the forward command like FW100, and then what I will do? Just I will press the F5 button. It will go from the center position to the top. After that, what I will do? I will press SS. SS is nothing but sprite show. After that, I will press the F5 button. So, the canvas, in the canvas editor, the turtle will be visible. This is the main use of sprite hide and sprite show command. What do you mean by SS? That is sprite show. The turtle will be visible in the canvas, and SH is nothing but sprite hide command. That is nothing but whenever we will be making the turtle hide, after that we will be making it show. That is nothing but sprite hide and sprite show. Okay. This is one example. The next